Hey guys, I think this is my replacement Incase shell. Let's check it out.
Alright, let's get this baby open. This time I got black. Before I had the midnight blue.
Oh no, it's already scratched. It's not really showing up on the camera, but there's a distinct scratch here. At least the back looks okay. Now I'm going to show you guys a little trick. To pop off the top of the old shell, we're going to use a little guitar pick. We're just going to pop it between the shell and the MacBook and slide it through, and there you go. The bottom piece is really easy to pop off. Okay guys, another tip here. When you're wiping down your MacBook, make sure you don't use regular tap water. Make sure you use drinking water or distilled water. That way you don't have water spots all over the aluminum after it dries. This ridge hooks onto the MacBook, so you'll need to start at the back of the MacBook first. All we have to do is press a little to put the top of the shell on. It's a good idea to open up your Mac real slow and make sure the plastic pieces don't jam. Check this out, you could actually preserve the feet from your old case in case you ever need to replace one of your new ones. I like the way it looks, and I love the fact that it has protection on the corners. I still use these because they look sharp and they have the protection at the corners, but I had like 3 of them fall apart on me.
Seriously, what is going on with these? You're paying $50 for 2 pieces of plastic and they start falling apart. I mean, overall, it's supposed to be pretty good protection or whatever, but I mean, you know what? This is a MacBook Pro shell made by a random Chinese manufacturer. It costs about $10. It's over 5 years old. Do you see any scratches? Do you see any chips?
You like? You subscribe. Do now.